today we talk about how can you find game upgrades on your Plato app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can to find this list on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then you come to your profile, then all you have to do, so you just click on this sign here. When you just click on it, then you come to this list here. It's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, you just go above this sign here, or in here can you swipe. When here game upgrades, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it here, and here you will find game upgrades. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.